Spotted turtles are a small, cryptic species of aquatic turtle found in wetlands across the eastern United States. Here in Clark County, we are on the southernmost extent of their range in Ohio. As a result, populations here are small, disjointed, and lacking information about how those populations are doing. When talking about small populations, you must also talk about demographic stochasticity, or random events leading to changes in a population, since small populations are much more subject to its effects. From 2016 to 2023, students at Wittenberg have surveyed 2 local areas where turtles are present, and I have analyzed the body sizes and population structures of these turtles to compare to other replicate populations in literature. We followed the regional spotted turtle assessment protocol for our surveys. Trap sets involved 5-day, 4-night trap sessions, and caught turtles were marked with unique notches for identification. In total, we found 9 turtles at Site 1 and 13 at Site 2. Looking at the figures, we found smaller morphological sizes of female turtles, different population structures from observed and theoretical populations, and no hatchling turtles. The lack of hatchlings may be due to bias against smaller turtles, which is a commonly observed pattern with hoop nets. The deviation from the observed population structure is important because the study that the observed structure was derived from was subject to the same methodological biases as our study. This makes it more likely that there is a true difference in our population from others. Site 2 has a big ratio of juveniles, which may indicate a growing population or the removal of adults. So, where do we go from here? In my analysis, turtles were placed into age classes based on size, but since we found that our turtles were smaller than the average, we need an alternative aging metric to properly estimate ages. This may come in the form of annuli counts, where you count the rings on a turtle shell, much like you would tree rings, to estimate age. We should look into the genetics of these turtles to determine if genetic drift may be at play causing the smaller sizes, and special attention should be given towards Site 2 to monitor for population growth or poaching. We found that both sites have small, volatile populations and so will require care and attention if they are to persist into the future. Conservation of these populations means conservation of unique genetics that may be important as spotted turtle numbers decline around the country.